So me being the zebra connoisseur I already am. I already have the cradle right here. You see, this is just a random one I pulled. This is a Motorola branded garbage piece of shit. Yeah, you know, MC. Actually, this thing goes by a different model. I get fucking models. Okay, piece of shit. Okay, so we plop it into the cradle. Okay, and then I have to do this bullshit again. And I swear to God, if you can't fucking find a package, I'm gonna kill you. Okay, let me check something here. Oh yeah, of course. Of course you want to sleep. Fuck you. Okay, let me see something here. So, what you gotta do is deployment. Always update mode. Okay, yeah. That's what we're gonna do then. So there's how you access the bullshit fucking IPL mode. Yeah, there you go, nigga. You don't want to know how many times I say that to these things. Those from SD. What do you mean? Cannot find MC3190 WEC6. Okay. Okay. Fuck you. I had it. Okay, it does support USB. Oh, okay. Okay. I got. Yeah. Okay, we'll do this then. We'll do this instead. Where is a. Do I have it? I do. Good. I have the solution. The final solution. Shit, I'm downloading USB solution. No. Download. Motorola. Fuck is it? Come on. Come on. Now, if you say that, okay, good. Yes, I agree. I agree. Let me quickly install. I don't care anymore. Shut the fuck up. Next. Yes, I agree. Next. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Rape my computer with viruses. Yes. I don't fucking care. Install. Yes. Okay. These are hex files. Are these hex files? Yes, it is. Clean the platform. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. So here we go. So what am I doing here? Very easy. Very, very easy. This is going to be a very easy, simple solution. Okay. The final solution. Okay. What am I doing here? Look at this. I have this very special utility. It's called USB download. Whoa, USB download. Oh my god, no way. So what are we trying to do here? You see, because this thing has a way to download hex files from a USB, what I'm gonna do is fuck off. I'm gonna get the image. Yes. Look at this very, very good file right here. What is it called? It's called Clean App. Okay, we drag it on here. It does support drag and drop? Oh, fuck off. Yes. Okay. Download from USB. Waiting for input. Device connected. Load. Erasing the application. Files processing. Nah, we don't need to erase the platform though. Hit enter technology. Exit. Now, under the grace of God, it should work. You will see, maybe. It better. Or I'm gonna throw this piece of shit away. Hello? What the fuck is it doing? Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Where the hell is it? This? Fuck is it doing? It's not doing anything. I'm gonna do this. Huh? What the fuck? Okay. Okay, it did it. It just took a bit longer. There we go. Yeah, that's right. That you see? Look at that. You see? You heard that noise. That noise was the noise that I would want to hear. Music to my ears, because that's the Windows CE boots. Shit. Fucking bullshit calibration. Crosshair. 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 Enter. I hit the 9 key. Yeah, you see? There we go. It's the bullshit right here. You see, look at that. Windows CE. Yep. Woohoo. Yippee. Yippee yippee yippoo. Yippity yippity hoo. So I learned my lesson now. I don't do this bullshit anymore. I will not load so many registry files. Because this thing's quite frankly a piece of shit. That's why. Oh shit, I gotta fucking reinstall the bullshit startup CTL bullshit all over again. Like, I never saved it on this piece of shit. God damn it. Okay, now we will erase this. Yeah. Yep, okay. Well, I'm gonna replace the SDs now. Yep, mission accomplished.